Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be making a papaya soap. We're using fresh papaya. 1 second. We're using a fresh papaya puree to make the soap. I might do just one mold today, but I don't know. We'll see if we can make 2 molds. Yeah, go ahead and follow me on Instagram at voyage_flower. What else? Yeah, we're gonna do a verse of the day. It's nighttime already, but we'll go ahead and do a verse of the day. Guys, I just wanted to give you guys a little tip of the day. I think that's what I'll do. Tips of the day and verse of the day. So my tip of the day today is, when you used up all your oils, like especially coconut oil, because it usually comes in a jar like this, save the jar and use it for your dried herbs and spices, or dry flowers, or whatever designs and scents and all that stuff that you use for your soaps. So this one was a coconut jar, and I'm going to use it for my dry flowers. Yeah, I'm just gonna use it for my flowers. Save you money on getting one of these. You can just use these. So I was blending my papaya, and it was so good that I had to leave some for myself. It's so sweet and juicy. You don't have to strain your papaya puree because it's already soft and it's not going to be harsh on your body, so you can just blend it. Alright guys, so I'm done with my blue forget me not. Now I'm doing my yellow flower. I'm going to use this container to put them in. All right, so I'm gonna pour some for my colorants. I'm using Mica orange colorants. There's not much in there. It's like a, hopefully it's not a bright orange. Looks okay. I'm mixing it separately so I can get a nice consistent. Look at that orange. We're gonna go ahead and add it to. Ooh, that is a nice color. Look at this color. It's a perfect papaya color. I'm gonna go ahead and add my essential oils now that you guys have seen the colors. And here's my little setup. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and add my essential oil. Here it is. I'm using grapefruit, and it smells lovely. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, I'm gonna pour from this angle so you all can see it. Pouring is my favorite part. So this is how it looks like. So I'm gonna design them. I'm gonna design one off camera and the other one design it with you guys. These are biodegradable, so you can use them in a shower and they won't harm your drain. You guys see that? Let me give you guys a little close-up. Look at that. I mean, come on, this is so pretty and it smells so good. I feel like all the soaps I make smell really good. These are the botanical I used. This is the final result. This is the second one. So we'll go ahead and let it stay in a warm place overnight, and then in 2 days we're going to mold it and cut it. Just to give you guys a little close-up. Hold on. The colors are beautiful. Hi guys, welcome back. So today's cutting day. We're gonna go ahead and cut the soaps. They are hard enough to unmold, and we'll go ahead and get started. So we're gonna start with the verse of the day for today, and yeah, let's get it. So here's the verse of the day. Is anyone among you suffering? Let him pray. Is anyone cheerful? Let him sing psalms. From James chapter 5 verse 13, New King James Version. So yeah, that's the verse of the day for today. If you have any comments, go ahead and leave it down below. Or if you just have something nice to say, or whatever comments you may have, go ahead and comment. Also like the video and share if you do like the video. And if you're new, please subscribe. I think I already told you guys that, but yeah, let's get to cutting. All right guys, so I got my soaps, cutter, and rack. So we're gonna go ahead and start. The color got a little bit lighter, but that's quite all right. That tends to happen after the soap has dried off. So we are not going to worry about that at all. It's like a nice peach, like a nice dark peach color now, which is very, very pretty actually, which goes very well with papaya. This one is perfect, very smooth. So good. And look at the side. Yes, that is beautiful. Tag marks, so I'll go ahead and show you guys that in a minute. So you basically just face it to your side. And my soaps are 3 centimeters wide. Right, guys? You were like, what are you doing? The wire is faced the other way. So yeah, let's go ahead and cut it. The other cutter, because the soap was a little too hard to cut with a regular cheese cutter, so I used the other cutter. But this is the end result of the soap. It's still curing. I don't know if you guys can see the middle part is a little bit moist, so it's still curing. It will be ready in like 2 weeks though. But yeah, this is the end of it. Alright guys, so I actually got a cut earlier, so I'll go ahead and show you how it leathers with one hand. Hopefully that's possible. So yeah, this is the soap. I'm just using one hand because I don't want to keep the soap on the other hand. I don't know if you can see the bubbles, but the bubbles are there. It doesn't have much leather as the other one because I don't use olive oil. But yeah, it has some leather to it too. So yeah, it is ready to be used. Alright guys, so that's all for my video. Thanks again for watching. Again, if you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and follow me on Instagram at voyage_flower. And yeah, that'll be all for this soap for today. Thanks for watching my soap series. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.